Hi guys! Today we're making white chocolate chip Snickerdoodles. Every Christmas, it's a tradition for my son and I to make them for Santa. It's absolutely our favorite cookies. They're soft, moist, chewy, buttery, cinnamony, and the white chocolate chips adds that extra bite of sweetness. They're seriously so delicious. So let's get started. The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3.4 ounce of vanilla pudding mix, 2 1/4 cup of flour, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, and 1/3 cup of sugar plus 1 teaspoon of cinnamon for rolling. Begin by creaming together the butter and the sugars. Using a handheld electric mixer, cream until well combined. You want to make sure the butter is at room temperature but still cold to touch, otherwise the cookies will spread thin. Add eggs and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Add baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Add vanilla pudding mix and half of the flour. After that's well incorporated, mix in the rest of the flour. You want to add the flour in increments so that it's easier to mix. Fold in the white chocolate chips. This may be a little challenging because the dough is super thick at this point, but I'll let you in on a little secret. Sometimes I use my hands. Scoop cookie dough and roll into about 1 1/4 inch balls. Roll each ball into the cinnamon and sugar mixture. Place them into a parchment-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. This recipe makes 2 dozen cookies, so you would have to form 24 balls. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, 1 baking sheet at a time. Baking them 1 sheet at a time will ensure that they cook evenly. You'll know when it's done when the edges are nice and golden brown and the center is just set. For the full written recipe, read the description below. Oh my God, you guys, these cookies are heavenly. The edges are perfectly crispy and the vanilla pudding mix gives it a nice chewy center. And the white chocolate chips, which isn't a typical ingredient for Snickerdoodles, is a game changer. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't miss out on any of my simple and delicious recipes. Hit that red subscribe button below. Feel free to check out my other recipes and make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.